Tesla just dropped an update to the Tesla semi-truck that could transform the entire trucking industry. So Dan Priestley, who leads the semi program, is showing us inside their new semi-factory at Gigafactory Nevada. And the numbers are truly impressive. They're talking about an annual production capacity of 50,000 units. That's a serious commitment to electric trucking. For context, according to industry data, the entire Class 8 truck market in North America sees around 250,000 to 330,000 trucks sold per year. Tesla is positioning themselves to capture a significant portion of that market. They're saying first units will roll off the line by the end of this year, 2025, with full ramp-up throughout 2026. Meanwhile, companies like Freightliner, Volvo, and others do have electric trucks in pilot programs or limited production, but none have announced factory capacity anywhere near what Tesla is building. Dan Priestley specifically said in the video that the Semi is designed to be directly swapped in for diesel trucks without having to compromise. That's a bold statement addressing a key concern about electric trucks. And what's fascinating is that Tesla has been quietly testing these trucks in their own logistics operations. They've essentially been using their own supply chain as a proving ground. As Dan put it, their pilot semis have been out in the world operating in fleets such as Tesla's own internal operations, showcasing electric trucking is ready for scale. Let's talk about the economics. According to the Department of Energy and Industry reports, the average semi-truck consumes around $50,000 to $70,000 in diesel fuel every year. And according to Tesla's own data, charging with electricity is approximately 2 times cheaper per mile than refueling with diesel. Tesla estimates operators can see fuel savings of up to $150,000 over 3 years. Independent analysts estimate that diesel trucks cost around $1.51 per mile to operate, while the Tesla Semi might cost around $1.26 per mile. That 25-cent per mile difference adds up quickly when you're talking about trucks that drive over 100,000 miles annually. And the factory construction timeline is impressive. They've spent the last several months constructing this massive building: walls, pillars, columns, concrete, and the roof. Now they're moving to populate the building with manufacturing equipment. What's also interesting is how this fits into Tesla's broader strategy. The Semi isn't just a truck, it's part of Tesla's entire energy ecosystem. These trucks will eventually work with megachargers, connecting to Tesla's energy storage products. It's all interconnected, and that gives Tesla a unique advantage over traditional manufacturers who are still figuring out the charging infrastructure piece of the puzzle. Let's talk about what this means for the industry as a whole. The American Trucking Association estimates there are about 3.5 million truck drivers in the US, operating around 2 million heavy-duty trucks. Those trucks move roughly 72% of all freight in America. We're talking about the backbone of the entire economy, potentially undergoing a significant transformation. And the environmental impact could be substantial. According to the EPA, transportation accounts for about 28% of total US greenhouse gas emissions, with medium and heavy-duty trucks producing over 400 million metric tons of CO2 annually. The average freight truck emits around 161.8 grams of CO2 per ton mile. Replacing diesel trucks with electric ones could significantly reduce those emissions. I'm also interested in what Dan hinted at when he said, there's a lot of exciting stuff coming through the next year, not just here in the factory, but also on the product itself. My guess? They're likely working on improvements to range, charging speed, or perhaps enhanced autopilot features specifically designed for long-haul trucking. What would you like to see Tesla add to the Semi? Drop your ideas in the comments. We're curious what features you think would make the biggest difference. So to sum this all up, Tesla's not just entering the trucking industry. they're making a major commitment with this massive semi-factory at Gigafactory Nevada. The implications for the transportation sector are significant. When Dan Priestley says electric trucking is ready for scale, he's signaling that this technology has moved beyond the experimental phase. The economic argument is compelling. Lower operating costs per mile, reduced maintenance needs, and significant fuel savings could make electric semis attractive to fleet operators focused on the bottom line. And for companies with sustainability goals, the environmental benefits are substantial. Electrifying heavy transport could significantly reduce carbon emissions from one of the hardest sectors to decarbonize. What's particularly interesting about Tesla's approach is that they're not just selling a truck, they're selling an entire ecosystem, the vehicle, the charging infrastructure, and potentially the energy generation and storage to power it all. That vertical integration could be a game changer in an industry where infrastructure has been a significant barrier to electrification. And looking at the broader industry impact, this puts pressure on traditional manufacturers to accelerate their own electric truck programs or risk falling behind. Get ready, the electric vehicle market is about to get exciting. More competition means good news all around. First off, we'll see loads of cool new tech. Think better batteries that take you further and charge up super fast, plus some seriously sleek designs and awesome features. All this battling it out for market share pushes companies to come up with the best stuff. And guess what? More cars and more companies trying to sell them means prices will probably drop. That makes electric vehicles way more affordable for everyone, not just the early adopters. Cheaper EVs mean more people will switch, and that's a big win. Here's the really important part. Ditching gas guzzlers for electric cars is a huge step for the planet. Cars and trucks pump out a ton of pollution. Going electric, especially as we use more clean energy to power them, cuts down on that pollution big time. Cleaner air and fighting climate change? That's what we're talking about. Basically, a competitive EV market isn't just about choosing your favorite ride. It's about making the world a better place, both for our wallets and our environment. It's going to be fascinating to watch this play out over the next few years. If Tesla can execute on this 50,000 unit production capacity, we could be witnessing a significant shift in how goods are transported across the country. If you found this breakdown valuable, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more transportation tech insights. Drop a comment below letting us know what you think about Tesla's semi-factory. Is this the beginning of a major shift for trucking? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching Future Drive. We'll see you in the next one.